Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about rainbow. We talked about sunny weather and rainy weather. The fun thing is when these two types of weather are getting together, they form a very beautiful rainbow. Today I challenge you to learn more about different types of rainbow, how rainbow forms and what colors can we see in a rainbow. We are going to create our 3D rainbow today, and if you are ready, let's get started. We are going to need a pair of scissors, glue and colored paper. We are going to need the colors of the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. We are going to cut 2 centimeters strips of the paper, something like that. I'm going to cut all the papers in the same time to speed the process, and I will keep the big parts, I will put them aside and I will use my small strips. Right now we are going to draw some clouds. We are going to take light blue paper, take a pencil and draw your clouds. You will need only 2 clouds. It doesn't matter the shape that you are creating, and we are going to cut our clouds. We are going to glue on these clouds our strips so that we will create a 3D shape rainbow. I'm cutting my second cloud. Take your time, is no rush. And right now we are going to glue the edges of our strips to each cloud like this. One edge on a cloud and the other edge on the other cloud. We are going to put some glue on each of our clouds, like I'm doing right now, and I'm going to glue each edge of the strip on both clouds. To have a very beautiful 3D effect, you will have to glue the strip one over the other, not the entire strip, only the edge over the other strip. Add more glue and keep in mind not to leave spaces between them, because otherwise you won't have the 3D effect. I'm gluing the yellow one. I already glued the red and the orange strip, yellow and now green. Add more glue. Add the blue strip. Then the next one will be indigo strip. Add a little bit more glue. And keep in mind, glue only the edges, not the entire strip, okay? And the last one is the violet strip. Flip it on the other side, and this is how it will look like on our paper. We will take a blue paper like the sky, and we are going to glue the clouds. Put glue on both clouds. Glue the first one
hold the other one, don't glue it yet. After press, yeah, put your hand behind the rainbow to create like a bridge, and then glue the other cloud. You can also cut a sun. You will need a yellow page. You need to draw a circle. I will use the lid of a jar to create my circle. Take a pencil, draw your circle, then cut it. And we are going to need some sun rays. I'm going to cut 4-5 centimeters strip of paper. I'm cutting small sun rays. I'm going to glue the sun on the top of my paper and the rays. And if you will need some more rays, you can cut a few more. I will definitely need more. I will need maybe 3 or 4 more, so I will cut 4. It doesn't matter if the rays exceed the paper. You will have a very nice effect. And here it is, your 3D rainbow. It looks like an accordion, like this. Enjoy, and can't wait to see how yours is looking. I hope you managed to create this effect.
Ta-da! Here is my 3D rainbow. I hope you like it, and remember to find out more facts about rainbow. Till next time, I wish you an amazing day. Bye!